Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we're going to cover the topic Tata Nano and the Singur controversy. As you all know that today the Tata group has played a very splendid role in developing the India. But let us know the controversies which has been going throughout these years. In the year 2008, Tata spearheaded development of the micro Tata Nano, a tiny rear-engined Porsche vehicle marked as the most affordable car in the world and within easy reach of the average Indian consumer. Although only slightly more than 10 feet 3 meters long and about 5 feet 1.5 meters wide, the highly touted People's Car could seat up to 5 adults and in Tata words will provide a safe, affordable, all-weather form of a transport to millions of middle and lower income consumers both in India and abroad. Rolled out in 2009. The Nano was initially sold for 100,000 rupees, that is $2,000. However, the price point could not be sustained despite poor sales. Production of the Nano continued for a decade because of the company's commitment to the project. Manufacturing was preceded by controversy over the acquisition of land in Singur, West Bengal for the proposed factory. The sale of the land was facilitated by the state government, but promoted fierce protests by displaced farmers and political leaders of opposition parties. The site of the production plant was eventually moved to Sanand, Gujarat, a legacy of philanthropy. Tata belonged to the India community known as the Parsis, followers of the Rosarian faith and well known for the public service work. He was greatly admired for his philanthropic interests, which included supporting research and improvements in education, medicines, and rural development. He established and enhanced hospitals and research centers that helped advance cancer care. He was also committed to reducing social and economic inequality. For example, in the year 2024, the Tata Group announced plans to build India's first indigenous semiconductor manufacturer facility in the state of Assam as a part of Ratan Tata's vision for state. This investment will generate employment for more than 2,500 local residents. By Tata Group and related philanthropic collective called Tata Trust have led to the establishment of a variety of institutions and scholarships in U.S. universities. This include a biological and physical science research, facilitating at the University of California, San Diego, and an educative center of Harvard Business School, both are named Tata Hall. An endowment to Cornell University provides financial aid to the students from India. A donation from Tata Consultancy Service to Consumer Loan University funded the Tata Consultancy Services Hall, which housed the School of Computers Science, Institute for Software Research, and a few other facilities. The Tata Center for Technology and Design at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology works on providing solutions to the challenges faced by communities that have limited access to electricity, low income, and poor literacy. Recognition of Tata family's constructive philanthropy, the Karangir family of organization awarded the Tata family the Karangal Medal of Philanthropy in the year 2007. I hope this video is informative. If it is, so please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.